Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here, and welcome to my channel. And today I have a nice little surprise for you and for me. Yeah, I know what I've got, but I'm excited to share it with you guys. And it came in this box. It came from Orange, Connecticut, it says on here, DBI. Do any of you know what that is? Well, we're fixing to find out. This was another sale, and I think these were half off or close to being half off. And what I did was went shopping again, which I'm not saying that's a good thing. I might need to cut that out. But I went shopping again. And I went shopping at the Doone and BOURKE store, that's right. And I found it interesting. This bag that I got, I got a bag, and it's got the DOONEY and BOURKE, or DOONEY and BOURKE. I'm not sure how you say that. I think I've always pronounced it BOURKE. And sometimes I just say Doone and BOURKE. I don't know. So I don't know what the right way is. But I seen a sale for them, and this time I probably at this point it's just my Facebook or whatever is just attacking me with all kinds of things to shop because it's getting that time of year. But I got this little bag and I got a really good price on it. I will tell you there was another one that I liked better and was probably around the same price, but I waited too long to decide to get it, and I lost that opportunity. So when this one came up, I decided I better get on it and get it. And this is a smooth. Now, I did think this was going to be pebbled, but I'll have to tell you, it didn't say it was going to be pebbled. This is what I usually buy, is the blue pebbled. And this is a wallet from 1995. That's how long I've had this. Got this, I don't know, at a mall at Macy's or something in Corpus Christi. And this is old. It even has old pictures of me and my husband and our children. That's Laura there with the cotton top. And then that's us in another picture with just Laura with my hair, I guess, trying to go blonde at that point. And then I have other pictures of Laura here. She was in baseball and volleyball. She probably just loved me for this. And then here's one in her younger days. But I found that in there, and I got my original Social Security card in here, of all things. So I thought, okay, well, I'm going to grab this wallet because I can use it with this. And I think they do make their items out of leather. So that is nice to know. I'm going to get this all undone. This was regularly $218. And I don't know that it tells you that on the price or not. It just tells you that you've got it in blue and I guess the tan color, but the straps are already connected. And actually this is a crossbody. It's not where you can take the straps off, so it can be just a crossbody, but it's got a little bit of detail on there which I liked. And like I said, this is my second choice. My other one I think that I missed out on was a pebble, and it might have been a little bit bigger than this. But I like the blue and the tan. I've got several of the Doone and BOURKE, and I even had, back in the day, I had one of their briefcases because I used DOONEY and BOURKE when I was an executive down in Corpus Christi. That was my flagship purses, I guess you'd say. And that's what I used. So I thought, well, I'll get another one. I'll get a new one. I'll get an updated one. And my little wallet that I have here, I can fit in here. And as you can tell, it's aged leather, that's for sure. And this is pebbled leather. And again, this is smooth. But it'll drop down in there and be just perfect. And that way I'll have a matching wallet, so to speak. And it does have a zipper pocket on the inside. It also has authentication that it's coming from Doone and BOURKE. And dear customer, please refer to this name if you have any questions or complaints regarding the quality or packaging of the enclosed bag. So it was inspected and packed by Sylvia. Sylvia, you did a really good job if you ever see this video. And then this is other information. It is, I guess, pretty much you can register your product online. So you can register your product. I never have done that before. Quite frankly, they might have did it all them years ago. I don't know. But I'm going to put this back in here where they had it. And then that way, if I want to register it, I can. But it was in this zipper pouch. And I think that's the only... Oh, there's a slip pocket over here. On this side, right there. So you have a slip pocket. My phone will just drop right down in there. You've got the DOONEY and BOURKE on this side. And then it does come with a dust cover. And I paid $99. And that's it. I paid $99. It was $218 free shipping. And then you get a dust cover bag. Isn't that nice? So I don't remember if I had a dust cover with the ones that I've gotten before. I don't know if I tossed them or what. Who knows? But there's some kind of clip in here. I'm not sure what this is for. Do any of you know what they would have this clip for? For your keys, maybe? I don't know. But that's inside here, and I'm really not sure what it's for. But it is a gorgeous little bag. And it smells like leather. Very, very nice. I wanted to share it with you guys. And let you know that I got me this bag. I got my Michael Kors. Now I've got this one. And I'll be using them for a while. And like I said, this is crossbody. And you can tell you got plenty of room for that to go over. See? You've got plenty of room for that to go over. Yeah, this is really, really nice. I like that. So, and you can also wear it behind you. So that'll work out really good. I like that purse. And it's really soft, soft leather. I think I've showed you everything. That's my new bag. Well, it'll be my next bag. I'm using my Michael Kors right now. But since they're having all these sales right now, I guess, I don't know why they're having so many sales all of a sudden. But it's probably just that time of year. But 50% off seemed like a good deal. So I hopped on there and got it. And it is lovely. Just lovely, lovely, lovely. Oh yeah, and I like that detail on the side. Let me know what you think. Do you like my new bag? Do you like DOONEY and BOURKE? Is it something that you would want to get? Well, they're still having their 50% off sale, I think. It's selected items, okay? So it's not their whole site. They have selected items. They got lots of different size bags. And they have some that's under $99, and this must have been one of them because that was what I looked at. I don't want to spend an extra lot. I don't want to spend an extended amount on a bag, but I don't mind spending a little bit more for a nice, well-made bag. And this smells just like it come out fresh out the factory. It smells like leather. Oh yeah, and it is. So it's not vegan leather, it's real leather. All right, guys, that's all I have for today. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye. I wanted to show you real quick that it fit right down in my little dust cover bag, and then it had this little strings that I could tighten it up and have on there. Now I'm all set to have it tucked away till I pull it out for my fall and winter use. And this will go great with jeans and things like that, so I'm really looking forward to that.